for creating a color animation here in Animate. Here in layer 2, we have our image, and in the first keyframe, we want to use modify to convert the symbol. We're going to call it K2. Click OK. Oh, okay. K3. As soon as I make this image an object, over here in the color effects, the window for the color effects actually opens. In my final keyframe, I do not have a symbol. So I'm going to go ahead and make one. And you see the window pop open. Now I can go into advanced. And since the image is very green, I'm going to reduce the greens to 0. There I am at 0. And I'm going to take the blues and raise the blues. So 1 and 2. Let's turn off the layer beneath it right now so you can really see the difference in the two colors. And I'm going to select the last frame, hold my shift key down, select the first frame, and then using the right click, I'm going to add a classic tween. Now as I play it, I see the colors change. I'm going to turn on the layer beneath it so I'm showing 2 layers at once, and I'll see both of those layers change over time. Okay, once again, let's go ahead and mute those bottom layers. We're going to open up the third, select the first keyframe, and modify, convert to symbol. Let's call it K6. We're going to take the last keyframe, right click, insert keyframe, right click, hold down the shift and get the first, so we have the whole thing selected, and create classic tween. Let's rewind it and play. Wow, no change. Let's go to the last keyframe, into the objects, into the color effects, advanced, and let's reduce the red. Play it again. And now it changes. This is the end of motion and color.